Namaste, friends. I was reading an article of a journalist who took an interview of Ratan Tata, where he shares an incident of his life. Incident which he states that it had given a great life lesson for him. He says once he went to Germany for some work with his team. There, he visits a hotel and he saw that all the people in that hotel had ordered very limited food, and at a corner there was a old lady who ordered a plate of meal, a single plate of meal, and shared it with her grandchildren. He was shocked to see that. He knew that Germany was one among the most developed countries around, and as he saw that picture of hotel with very limited food ordered by the people, he was amazed and turned curious about the thing. For a while, he took out that thought from his mind and sat down on a table to order some food. He and his team ordered some dishes. They ordered a wide variety of dishes. As everything came onto the table, they started having their food. In moments of time, few in their team told that it was a lot food for them, and few told that they didn't like few dishes, and there remained a lot of dish wasted. As they raised up from their table, the old lady who was sitting at the corner came to them and she complained on wasting the food on table. The team members told that it was their choice and it was their money that they paid as a bill. And the lady took out her phone and called someone. And Ratan Tata turned amazed by seeing that within minutes there came police on to the spot where this incident took place. The cops didn't hear to any words of Ratan Tata and his teammates. They put on a fine of 50 euros upon them, and without saying a word, they were made to pay the fine. And the old lady who stood there until the end says that it might be our bill that you are paying for the food, but it's our resource that you are wasting. You have a right to use our resources, but you don't have any right to waste it. Friends, this is what happens. We don't worry about the resources that we are wasting. Knowingly or unknowingly, we waste a lot of resources. Might be renewable or non-renewable. But taking a step forward, taking a step of awareness to conserve our resources can make a lot difference to our and the next generation of our societies to come. Thank you.